guys, so this is my third day since the operation. Well, no, it's Sunday, so I had my operation on Friday. It's Sunday now, so basically everything is absolutely like brilliant the whole way through. Like I said yesterday, like I was really nervous going into the operation. I haven't had any pain at all. I haven't even had to take pain, like paracetamol, let alone the actual pain relief that I was given. There's a bit of bruising. Like, I've got a little bit of makeup on, so you can't really see because I popped out today. But there's a little bit of bruising there and a bit of swelling just in between the eyes. But other than that, it's been absolutely brilliant. I can't fault anything since the surgery. I was so nervous going into it, and coming out of it, it's been an absolute breeze. I had a wisdom tooth taken out a couple of weeks ago, and the pain from that was 100 times worse, because I've actually had no pain with this at all. I'm just really excited now to get the cast off and have a look. And to be honest, I really like the shape of it with the cast being on compared to what it was before. So roll on Wednesday when I can actually get it removed and have a proper look. But my experience with Dr. De Silva and the whole team have been really good. From going in and, you know, talking to Jennifer, who really puts you at ease, and going into my surgery, she was really lovely, like coming down, making sure I was okay. And then like Stephanie, the nurse, again calls you up to kind of go through everything beforehand, so you kind of really get to know the team before going in there, which is quite nice. So when you're going into the surgery and you're sitting in the room, you've already had contact with everyone who's in that room with you, so it does put you at ease, and you know, you can have like a nice conversation and talk to them before going in, because you've already met them and you've already spoken to them all. So that's quite a nice experience. Yeah, and since then, obviously, like since the surgery, I've Dr. Silva's called me up just to kind of later on that evening, just to kind of check how everything was, and obviously to go through anything, like if you have any concerns, or you know, he'll just go through them with you, so you don't feel like you've left there and that's it, it's like being cut off. You've got that point of call. He calls you up just to check on you, how everything's going since the surgery, how you're feeling. And then obviously you get to, I think I got a text as well from the anaesthetist just to kind of go through kind of like a little survey to kind of rate how that was and how I found the sedation, which I recommended to everyone, by the way. It wasn't even like being put to sleep. It was like literally having a sleep but not being put to sleep. Like a general anaesthetic makes you feel like groggy and like you're gonna get sick, whereas the sedation is literally like just like waking up from having a nap. And then, like I said, I had no pain. I've had no pain at all, which I was really surprised about still, to be honest. I keep waking up each morning and thinking, when's it gonna start? But no, it hasn't. So fingers crossed it stays that way. I don't think it will start now, but so today I've just been kind of like cleaning with the hydrogen peroxide, just to make sure that everything's kept clean, like the stitches just underneath, and I think tomorrow I'll start with like the nasal spray just to kind of make sure everything's clean in there. But I'm breathing fine. It seems to all be absolutely brilliant. So yeah, really good experience so far. Thanks guys.